This is the clarinet mouthpiece. As you can see, it has a reed on one side. You will normally wet the reed before you put it on the mouthpiece. You'll tighten it onto the mouthpiece with these screws. When you're going to make sound with the mouthpiece, you want to make sure that you're putting it in your mouth correctly. To make sure you're doing this, take your finger and put it over your lower lip. Make sure that your lip is over your bottom teeth. Press very gently. Once you've pressed your lower lip over your bottom teeth, push back just a little bit. Then, bring your top two teeth, like bunny teeth, and put them on top of your finger. Then, you want to bring the rest of your lips nice and tightly around your finger. That's what you're going to do with this mouthpiece. Once again, place it on your lower lip over your bottom teeth and then push back just a little bit. Then bring your top two teeth down like bunny teeth and bring the rest of your lips around to make a nice tight seal so no air gets out. Then take a nice deep breath from your lower stomach and blow. Now let's put it on to our clarinet. And that's how we make sound on our clarinet.